Welcome to Luxury Insider Car, where we explore the machines shaping the future of mobility. Today, we take an in-depth look at the all-new 2026 Toyota Prado, a legendary nameplate reborn with modern technology, rugged engineering, and premium comfort. Built on Toyota's advanced global platform, the latest Prado blends traditional off-road durability with refined on-road performance, making it one of the most anticipated SUVs of the year. From the first glance, the design communicates strength and purpose. The bold front fascia features a squared grille, sharp LED headlamps, and an upright stance that echoes classic Land Cruiser heritage. Sculpted fenders, high ground clearance, and protective body cladding emphasize its adventure capability, while modern aerodynamic detailing ensures improved efficiency and reduced wind noise at highway speeds. At the rear, vertical taillights, a wide tailgate, and subtle skid plates complete the confident exterior presence. Step inside, and the 2026 Toyota Prado reveals a cabin focused on durability and luxury. High-quality soft-touch materials, reinforced trims, and available leather seating create a refined atmosphere suitable for both long-distance travel and rugged expeditions. The redesigned dashboard is dominated by a large floating touchscreen infotainment system supporting wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, while a fully digital instrument cluster provides customizable driving information. Ambient lighting, improved sound insulation, and a premium multi-speaker audio system further enhance passenger comfort. Power and performance remain central to the Prado identity. Depending on market availability, buyers can expect a new turbocharged four-cylinder delivering stronger torque and improved fuel efficiency compared with previous generations. Some regions will also receive a hybrid powertrain option, combining electric assistance with dependable combustion performance, providing smoother acceleration and reduced emissions. Paired with an advanced multi-speed automatic transmission and Toyota's proven four-wheel drive system, the 2026 Toyota Prado is engineered to tackle challenging terrain without sacrificing everyday drivability. Off-road capability has always defined the Prado, and the newest model strengthens that reputation. A reinforced ladder frame structure increases overall rigidity, improving stability on uneven surfaces. Advanced traction control modes, selectable terrain management settings, and electronically locking differentials allow drivers to adapt quickly to sand, mud, snow, or rocky trails. Enhanced suspension tuning delivers better wheel articulation for extreme off-road conditions while maintaining a comfortable ride on paved roads. For towing needs, improved torque output ensures confident hauling of trailers, boats, or adventure equipment. Safety technology also receives significant upgrades. Toyota's latest driver assistance suite includes adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, automatic emergency braking, blind spot monitoring, and rear cross traffic alerts. A new high-resolution surround view camera system helps drivers navigate tight urban parking spaces as well as narrow off-road paths. Additional structural reinforcements and expanded airbag coverage contribute to improved crash protection, reinforcing Toyota's commitment to long-term passenger safety and reliability. Beyond capability and safety, the 2026 Toyota Prado focuses on everyday practicality. Flexible seating configurations allow easy adjustment between passenger space and cargo capacity, making the SUV ideal for family travel, business use, or extended outdoor adventures. Multiple USB charging ports, wireless charging pads, and upgraded connectivity options keep passengers connected on the move, while improved climate control systems ensure consistent comfort across all rows. Optional panoramic sunroofs and larger side windows increase cabin brightness, creating a more open travel experience. Toyota engineers also prioritized durability and long-term ownership value. Enhanced corrosion protection, stronger underbody shielding, and upgraded cooling systems are designed to handle demanding environmental conditions across different global markets. Extended service intervals and improved diagnostic technology help reduce maintenance costs over time, while Toyota's global dealer network ensures easier access to parts and support wherever the journey leads. Visually, buyers can expect a range of new exterior color choices, redesigned alloy wheel options, and accessory packages tailored for urban lifestyle or extreme exploration. Roof racks, integrated lighting solutions, all-terrain tires, and heavy-duty protection accessories allow owners to personalize the SUV according to their travel ambitions. Inside, additional trim themes and premium upholstery selections provide a higher level of customization than previous generations. As the global SUV market becomes increasingly competitive, the 2026 Toyota Prado stands out by combining legendary reliability with forward-thinking innovation. Its balanced blend of rugged strength, efficient performance, modern safety, and everyday practicality positions it as a compelling choice for drivers seeking both adventure readiness and refined comfort. Whether navigating city streets, crossing remote landscapes, or embarking on cross-country journeys, the new Prado continues Toyota's tradition of building vehicles that inspire confidence in every environment. Expected to reach showrooms in select markets starting in late 2025, early 2026, the model represents a major step forward for the iconic Prado lineup. Competitive pricing strategies are anticipated to maintain the vehicle's strong global appeal, ensuring accessibility for both loyal customers and new buyers entering the Land Cruiser family. With its upgraded technology, improved efficiency, and unmistakable design presence, the 2026 Toyota Prado is prepared to continue its decades-long legacy as one of the world's most trusted adventure-ready sport utility vehicles. For enthusiasts who demand capability without compromise, Toyota delivers an SUV that respects tradition while embracing the future. Advanced engineering ensures dependable operation across diverse climates, from desert heat to snowy mountain passes. Intelligent drivetrain management systems optimize traction automatically, helping drivers maintain control even under unpredictable road conditions. Combined with the brand's reputation for durability and long-term resale value, the new Prado remains a practical investment for individuals and families alike. Ultimately, the 2026 Toyota Prado reaffirms why Toyota continues to lead the global SUV segment, offering a vehicle engineered for confidence, comfort, and limitless exploration opportunities worldwide. Experience the evolution.